Okay, this is part 2, and this is my Gotham City collection. Here we have the Joker's house, this, and this, and
the joke's on you, Batman!
I did not really expect that. Those can open, close them, and the back, these can open. That's all for this house. Now I think it's time that we introduce the Gotham City, the Gotham City, the Arkham Asylum. This makes Bane's muscles light up, and Bane can come out of there, and then he can come back on like that, and let me just get back on there. These, the jail doors open. These can open. There used to be a sticker on there. Mickey Mouse and back. Not very cool looking. Those can climb up this ladder. That ladder, if they want to get it to the top of it. And then stairs to climb there. And then that's all for this house. Now I'm going to introduce the Batcave. That was a quick one. Okay, this this has some very cool functions, because this, like that, this can open and close. This, I did not expect to do that. Let's suppose open and close. What? How do I open this? Get this up. Oh. That goes it there, that goes it up, and it can open up those doors to here. And the jail door.
Who's often in these jail doors?
Well, the Joker is often in these jail doors because, as you can see, Joker. And there's another ladder right here, so it can climb up to a bank. That can close back up. And
which character do you like to play when you play with this Gotham City house?
Maybe Robin, Batman, and Joker. And maybe Riddler, or Penguin, or Mr. Freeze.
So all of the Batman City characters.
Well, except Harley Quinn, because I do not have her.
Mm-hmm.
But now it's time for the last one, the Will Factory. This also has some really cool options, because the gas pipe can open. And it can make different sounds.
Who really likes that house?
It's part of the Geo truck, but I don't have the rest of the Geo truck. The car I can find neither of the guy, but Grandma's the same car and the same guy.
Who especially likes to play with that house, though, the Riddler Factory? Who do you know that lives in this house?
Evan. Evan.
He thinks it's pretty fun, huh?
Yeah, I know. That's all for today. And yeah. Bye-bye. Well, next time, maybe I'll make another video that you will see. So.